Welcome back to Wood Ass Wheels. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Nathan.
This is the corner cabinet that we just finished up with, and
It's dope ass.
it's dope ass. We got two adjustable shelves with 1/4-inch shelf bins, and much like our last project, the pantry, or our first project rather, the pantry, this was all made with materials you can get at your local Home Depot or Lowe's, wherever you prefer to shop. We just used some stained grade plywood, yellow pine. We used just 1/4-inch sandable ply for the doors, and dark brown stain,
Dark brown.
dark brown. And as you can see, it turned out all right.
Turned out excellent. Oh, okay, well.
It looks excellent from you. We won't tell you where.
Well, of course not.
Nothing. We didn't do any. No mistakes on this one. No,
Zero.
Nope. Nope.
Ever.
No putty anywhere.
We don't have putty in the shop.
Yeah. Nope.
No need for it.